The Ecosystem Experience is our environmental education program for students 4th through 6th grade.
Busloads of kids descend on Majestic View Nature Center and Park for the program throughout the school year.
We have about 2,500 kids each year. Today, let me tell you what we're going to do.
Students explore several ecosystem stations, learning about prairies,
Oh, that was correct.
wetlands, mammals, and more.
It follows the state science standards, so each rotation that they do has elements that will help them with their science standards.
Yeah, let's start up here.
It's all hands-on experience here.
Plants can be harmed by animals.
The kids get excited, they're energized, engaged, they get to try new things, learn a variety of different ways to understand what they already know, and then go deeper with it.
So we know this was a male because it has antlers. What else do we know about this animal?
They will learn all about the mammals of Colorado, predator, prey, the adaptations, that sort of thing. So they'll get to touch pelts and look at skulls and identify predator-prey relationships.
Say this with me. Eyes on the side.
Eyes on the side.
Run and hide.
Run and hide.
Eyes in front.
Eyes in front.
I'm on the hunt.
My favorite animal would probably be the pronghorn because it runs very fast.
They taught us that no animals here eat the fox.
The Prairie Room talks about animal relationships, past and present.
We talk about the bison, we talk about, again, predator-prey relationships, we talk about keystone species, we talk about shortgrass and tallgrass prairie.
And this is a keystone species. Kind of holds the whole ecosystem together. Without this little guy, lots of other animals can't live.
The people that are here, a lot of them are volunteers, they're so well prepared and they make learning fun for the kids.
They discover favorite animals and favorite displays.
I like the first one too because we got to go around and look at all these animals.
I like the pronghorn because it runs super fast and the fur feels like a brush.
I learned that a lot of animals they like quiet.
Throughout the center, young minds get to thinking about more than just animals. They learn about noxious weeds, biodiversity, food chains, and water conservation.
Write down one type of water pollution that's not listed on our display. What do you guys think that might be?
And of course, field trips take the learning experience outdoors too.
As they walk down to the wetlands, they'll learn that biodiversity is so important to our environment. How many different kinds of plant life and animal life.
I like the wetlands. It's easy to spot things. I learned that lots of animals depend on other animals to survive.
And that touching nature can be fun too.
It feels like wax.
Yeah, it's kind of smooth.
Fulfilling its mission of environmental education, the Ecosystem Experience at Majestic View Nature Center and Park truly takes kids on a journey of learning and discovery.
That is awesome.
And as they return to their everyday classrooms, they have exciting new knowledge about the world around them. Majestic View Nature Center and Park is located at 7030 Garrison Street. It is open to the public with extended hours during the summer. If you're interested in its educational programs or programs for adults and families, just give them a call at 720-898-7405 or go online to arvada.org/nature.